So this one's just a bit of fun, and it's dedicated to all of my male friends. Hope no one takes offense. Know what it is, yeah? Here we are, dear old friend, you and I, drunk again. Laughs have been had and tears have been shed. Maybe the whiskey's going to my head, but if I were gay, I would give you my heart. And if I were gay, you'd be my work of art. If I were gay, we would swim in romance, but I'm not gay, so get your hand out of my pants. It's not that I don't care, I do. I just don't see myself in you. Another time, another scene, I'd be right behind you, if you know what I mean. 'Cause if I were gay, I would give you my soul. And if I were gay, I would give you my whole being. If I were gay, we would tear down the wall.